Hey everyone, welcome back to RealPodEnglish.
That's right. If you're learning English and want to hear real, funny conversations, you're in the right place.
Today we're talking about weekends, how we spend them, the good, the bad, and the weird.
Yep, and let's just say our weekends couldn't be more different.
So, Mia, how was your weekend?
Honestly, amazing. I finally had time to relax. And you?
Mine was interesting. Let's just say it started badly.
Oh no, what happened?
Saturday morning, I planned to sleep in, but my neighbor decided 7 a.m. was the perfect time for extreme music.
Extreme music? Really?
Yeah, full volume. I swear I could hear the drums in my dreams.
That's horrible.
I know, so I gave up sleeping and went for a walk.
That sounds peaceful, at least.
It was until it started raining.
Wait, it rained on your peaceful walk?
Exactly. So I got soaked, but at least I met David in the park.
David? Who's David again?
College friend. You remember, the one who always makes terrible jokes.
Oh, yes, the one who laughs at his own jokes more than anyone else.
Exactly. We spent 2 hours talking, mostly him telling jokes.
Sounds exhausting.
Honestly, yes. But then we got lunch at that new burger place.
Finally, something good happened.
So my Saturday wasn't a total disaster.
Good for you. My Saturday was chill. I stayed home, watched 2 movies, and cooked dinner.
2 movies, that's it? Amateur.
Excuse me? I had a pasta marathon. That's serious commitment.
Fine, fine. I bow to your pasta skills.
Thank you.
What about Sunday?
Sunday was my lazy day.
Meaning?
I woke up late, ordered food, and watched another movie.
You watched movies all weekend.
And I'm proud of it.
Meanwhile, I cleaned my apartment.
Wow, look at you being responsible.
Yeah, I even did laundry.
Okay, now I feel bad about my weekend.
You should.
Next weekend, I'll be productive.
You say that every week.
Okay, maybe the weekend after that.
Fine, but next weekend we should do something together.
Like what?
Beach, movie, coffee, board games?
All sound perfect. But your pasta is required.
Only if you bring dessert.
Deal.
And promise me, no loud music next time.
No promises. Some people love extreme music at 7 a.m.
Yeah, your neighbor.
Anyway, ready for Monday tomorrow?
Do we have to talk about Monday?
Yes, reality check.
Okay, fine. But at least we survived the weekend.
True. And next weekend, we make it even better.
Deal. But this time, I'm eating dessert.
Perfect plan.
All right, everyone. That's it for today's Weekend Talk.
If you enjoyed this conversation, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to RealPodEnglish.
Yeah, and tell us in the comments, how was your weekend?
See you next time for more real, funny English conversations. Bye.